Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is music. Our topic is music. Music sound is organized sound. Music sound is sweet sound. Music sound is pleasant sound. Music sound is interesting sound. Music sound is meaningful sound. Music sound is good sound. Music sound is beautiful sound. Example, singing, playing of recorder, playing of guitar, and playing of piano. Music makes us happy. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.